the 5 universal laws and the power of critical mass. Throughout history, wisdom has been passed down in many forms: ancient texts, sacred teachings, and profound revelations about the nature of life. Among these, one lesser-known text speaks of a mysterious truth. In paradise, there are 5 trees that remain unchanged throughout the seasons. Whoever understands them will never taste death. But what does this mean? These 5 trees symbolize 5 universal laws, endless principles that govern life, energy, and transformation. Laws that remain constant, regardless of time or place. Understanding them isn't just about knowledge. It's about shifting the way we interact with life itself. Many people seek success, fulfillment, and clarity by following advice from books, mentors, and teaching. They apply the same methods, follow the same steps, and yet some thrive while others struggle. Why? Because no single path works for everyone. Each of us is born with a unique mission, a life purpose that cannot simply be copied from someone else's journey. As one teacher put it, you can call upon all the knowledge and wisdom in the world, but no one can walk your path for you. No one can take the test on your behalf. This means that life is not about blindly following others. It's about choosing which lessons to embrace, which truths to live by, and which doors to open. And this is where the 5 universal laws come in. Among these laws are the law of life purpose, guiding us toward our true calling. The law of vibration, shaping our experiences through the energy we emit. The law of resonance, attracting what aligns with our frequency. The law of energy, showing how focus and intention create reality. And the law of critical mass, explaining why consistency and perseverance lead to breakthroughs. The law of critical mass explains why results take time. Think of a scale: on one side, doubt, fear, and hesitation. On the other, belief, action, and perseverance. If the weight of our doubts is heavier, we remain stuck. But if we continuously add even the smallest weight of belief, step by step, grain by grain, the scale must eventually tip in our favor. This is the key to manifesting goals, not through a single grand action, but through steady, unwavering effort. Some people expect instant change, but lasting transformation happens gradually, sometimes without any visible results, until the exact moment when enough energy has accumulated and everything shifts. This is how every major breakthrough occurs. Imagine pouring water on a scorching road. At first, it evaporates instantly. If we give up, we see no change. But if we keep adding more water over and over, eventually, the heat loses its power. The water remains. The balance shifts. This is exactly how energy works in our lives. If we stop believing, if we stop reinforcing our goals, the heat of external circumstances consumes our efforts. But if we persist, if we keep adding energy, even when we can't see immediate results, the transformation becomes inevitable. So what does this mean for you? It means that every choice you make adds weight to one side of the scale. Every belief you reinforce strengthens your path. It means that what you focus on long enough will become your reality. Many people give up right before reaching their tipping point. But the truth is, success, healing, fulfillment, everything follows the law of critical mass. So the real question is, are you willing to keep adding to your vision, even when you don't see immediate results? Because when you do, when you keep moving forward, grain by grain, moment by moment, that's when the scale tips. That's when transformation becomes unstoppable. And that's when you step into the full power of your existence. The 5 laws of life are always at work. They are unchanging, unwavering, just like the 5 trees in the ancient scripture. The question is, will you align with them? Or will you keep waiting for something outside of you to shift the scales? Choice has always been yours. Life is not about waiting for miracles. It's about understanding the laws that create them.